Umiiyak, gabi-gabi, walang tinig na naririnig. Nakikipaglakad sa rigmaan, nalilito. Ano ba ako sa puso mo? Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa pa siguro. Kalaban ng sarili, sino ba pumili? Sino? Ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Ijak bumungkot. Ato bang gamay?
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So, Bisharinim gave you 1,000.
빅토리님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. Bye bye.
House will never be home. Kring, 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 kring. The alarm clock ringing on my side. Suddenly, I heard my mother's voice. Anna, Anna, wake up! It's already 9 in the morning, Mother said. Here you are again, waking me up. It's been a week since you were here coming back in the Philippines, bagging my whole life into disaster. My mother, 10 years of abandoning me.
Then suddenly,
you came. What for? Ruining my life into mess? Knock, knock, knock. A sweet voice came out as the door opened. Anna, Anna, my dear, aren't you supposed in the school by this time? I remember when I was young, so witty but pretty. My mother used to play piano and sing and sing as my father left me up. 10 years along, I was 10 years along dark side of my life. I heard a bang, 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 a gun. Yes, a gun. Blood as erased my eyes. I saw him lying on the floor. Red, 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 a blood. Yes, a blood. Ruining my life, my father's lifeless body, my father did because of her. Yeah, because of her. Our house will never be home. It's been 5 months when I was here. Ha 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 ha. I was here because of her. I was on mental institution because of her. I found a house that can never be home. Ha ha ha! Bang bang bang! Counting shot from a gun. I saw my mother him lying on the floor, together with hair fresh
blood.
With her fresh blood. Yes, yes, yes. I kill her. I kill my own mother. Ha 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 ha. Suddenly, I fill my eyes. What for aren't? What for aren't? I am happy now. I kill her. She kill him. She kill him. I am left behind a can in a house can never be home.
Okay, a round of applause.
Okay, read. The Hart and the Hunter. The Hart was once drinking from a pool. He admired the noble figure he made there. Ah, said he, where can you see such noble horns as this? With such antlers, I wish I had legs worthier to bear such a noble crown. It is a pity they are so thin and slight. At that moment, a hunter approached and sent an arrow whistling after her. Away bounded the Hart.
Away bounded the Hart.
Away bounded the Hart, and soon by the aid of his nimble legs.
Hala, sumpaye, wala pa man mo maabot sa kama. Away bounded the Hart, o kama. And soon, kama. By the aid of his humble legs, kama. Dili sumpay dito. Kita jud mo kama, punong gamay. Then, continue na sad. Balik.
Away bounded the Hart, and soon by the aid of his nimble legs was nearly out of sight of the hunter, but not noticing where he was going. He was under some trees with branches growing low down in which his antlers were caught, so that the hunter had time to come up. Alas, alas, cried the Hart.
O paano naabot mo sa kama? Balik.
So that the hunter had time to come up. Alas, alas, cried the Hart. We often disguise what is most useful to us.
Okay. Na?
Yes. Will never be good. Tring, 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 tring. The alarm clock ringing on the side. Suddenly, I heard my mother's voice. Anna, Anna, wake up! It's nearly 9 in the morning, Mother said. Here you were again, waking me up. It's been weeks since you were heard coming back in the Philippines, bagging my whole life into disaster. I wish you weren't my mother. 10 years of abandoning me, then suddenly you came. What for? Ruining my life into a mess. Knock, knock. A sweet voice came out the door open. Anna, Anna, my dear, you're late. Aren't you supposed in a school by this time? I remember when I was young, so witty but pretty. My mother used to play piano, and I sing, as my father left me off. My father lively studies. My father died because of her. I was 10 years along the side of my life. I heard a bang, 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 a gun. Yes, a gun. Blood, I raised my eyes. I saw my mother lying on the floor. Red, 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 a blood. Yes, a blood. Running my father lifeless bodies. My father died because of her. Yes, because of her. Our house will never be home. It's been 5 months when I was here. I was here because of her. I was on mental institution because of her. Found a house that can never be home. Bang, 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 counting. Shots coming from a gun. I raised my head and looked on the floor. I saw my mother lying on the floor, together with her fresh blood. Yes, 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 I killed her. I killed my own mother. Tears. Suddenly I feel my eyes. Before, I am happy I killed her. She killed him. I am left behind in a house that can never be known.
Okay, a round of applause.
Students,
안녕하세요.
what day today?
Today is Friday.
So Friday man laban sa mata.
Math.
So math. So ang atong math karon is
Analog.
analog ta. Unsa may analog? Analog clock no. Unsa sa oras? Orasan no. Kabalo na mo na? Isa na yung kabalo. Okay, very good. Ikabalo na mo anak. Kabalo na sa mga tanong sa oras? Sure mo? Okay. Like, for example, kung sa maling oras? 12:25. So, 12:25 is correct. So, kung ang shorthand niya, meaning, kung sa man nakasabot sa shorthand, kung mag-atubang siya sa kuan, meaning, ang shorthand is the oras. Ang time niya. Ang longhand is the ang saman. Kani, ang saman. Minutes. Very good. Minutes. So, kani, kaya nakatubang na yung shorthand sa 12 is the 12 yung time. Tapos, every kuan, ang say counting na to ani, kung 1. 1 is 5. Di ba na-average din 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 minute, 5 minutes. 2 is 10 minutes. 3 is 15 minutes, 5 and so on, so on. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. So there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Naay 60 minutes in 1 hour. So for example, ako din siyang ibagin ang shorthand sa 10. Then, ang longhand, ibalikin na ako sa 3. Ang samay time, 10, 15. Example ko, magpatawag ko ha. For example, do not answer if your name wala gitawag. Okay? So, okay. Stephen. Ang sama ni nga oras. Ayun na lang, sit down na lang. Ito tingin na lang kung sa oras. Ang shorthand is naa sa 8. Ang longhand is naa sa 6. Ang sama? What times? Ang shorthand naa sa 8. Ang longhand naa sa 6. Ang sama ni oras ha? 8 o 6. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Ang sama? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Then 8. What time? Ang sama ni? 8:30? Okay, 8:30. Very good. Stephen is only grade 2 and Janket mo. Pero start naman anino. Naana mo anino. Ano no? Also you Stephen no. Naana mo.
Grade 1 pa niya, ma'am.
Okay, another example.
Ma'am. Ay, Neil pa, ma'am.
Okay, Neil.
Ma'am, nanamigay na po.
Shorthand is nasa 4. Longhand is nasa 8. Wala na nasa? 440. Very good. Okay, another.
Hi.
Okay, shorthand nasa 2. Longhand nasa 10. Janket. 2 and 10. 250. Very good. So, nakasabutan?
Nakasabot.
Okay. Mag-answer ko ninyo of 5 kakanya. 5 example. Ano sila ninyo? Okay?
Wala pa. Baw.
Kani kinahanglan ni siya i-shake kada uwan. Ayan na ni siya. Madungog ninyo nga naay murag kanang chemical bang ni. Dagan.
Sumay ko picture sa. Eh,
Nya, for example, na ay simbako lang na isunog. Simbako lang. Ato ni siyang kuhaon ang pin. Naman ni pin. Dayon. Dayon nato i-target ni siya sa asa tong sunog. Iigo siya. Dayon, tanawon sa before na ninyo ikuan sa sunog, tanawon sa ninyo kung asa lapit ang hangin nagpaingon. Kaya kung halimbawa na dito pa dong ang hangin, so ang kayo na dito, ni ato pag mo dito mo ato bang sa kayo. So kung halimbawa ang kayo pa dong dito, ari mo dire mo spray. Ay, ani mo din eh. Pero kung ang kayo pa dong dire, ato pud mo spray dito, ang dapita. Okay, aron di mo mapaso.
Sumay ko. Aso ba ko sa ni? Sumay ako.
Ayo, ko din na ito magamit ko. Ayan. Itistingan mo. Kasi ganahan mo try sa position. Bawa na dihan kayo nga tako. Ano siya. Pero ginangtang ang pin ha. Hindi man niya. Dito na siya. Bawa kang try. Ako kuhaan ko kung sa'yo bahay mo. Wala ko yung personal experience. Basta ka ni siya, mo siya itanong sa kayo sa nagsiga. Ha, basta ayaw lang dyan mag-atubang o kuan. Kung halimbawa na ay asa pa dong ang kayo ba, ang hangin ninyo kuan. Pero kung steady ra, layo na magamay. Steady ra ang kayo.
Dagan pa
Kung spray ninyo, magpalayo mo gamay.
Dagan pa rin.
Ang puno ka man siya.
Kuha na ako no.
Puno siya, kuan mo, shake mo na yung
Mount. Tristan natin sa musuhay. Isa ko si Tristan.
I-shake. So, yung shake. Panginawan ninyo na chemical sa kuan. Na chemical nga more mo dagan.
Asa ko.
Ayaw kang tangang pin ha. Barog.
Dito ka nga. Tagkuhan mo na ako.
Tagtangan ka ng kuan. Kanang murag sumo sa elephant.
Wala, may
Hindi ka na iniglag kuan.
Imo, putang sa kami. May ano lang.
Ang forma ba? Ang forma kung magkuan ka. Tira ka.
Asa ha?
Nya, i-shake siya. I-try yung shake. Try ito akong forma.
Tabag na, buto.
Ano siya chemical.
Hindi suga na.
Ang chemical sa sunod. Sulod. Para kuan.
Hindi ko lagi.
Kadungog. Kaya kadaog.
Ako ni. Ako na i-try. Takuan mo ba? Ngayon mo na i-mustap picture. Ati, i-RM to tinang.
Yun lang. Kwarta na. Lagi na din. Kwarta. Karoon sana.
Ako na nag-content.
Circle.
Oh. Siya pwede magputsi.
Sarap kong chika.
Nanay point. Sure, nanay point.
Yeah.
Guys, wala naman. Sakto lang ito.